Hey, it's almost time to go back to school again, and I want to make a label for one of my notebooks. So let's get started. Here are the materials needed. In Design Space, make sure you have Cricut Joy selected. Select New Project. Click Image. Search for a label by typing in Labels in the search bar. Look for the label you want and hit Insert. So I'm going to speed through this process because there's much more options in Design Space, but I wanted to show you if you wanted to make a quick label using your Cricut Joy, there's also a Cricut Joy app. So if you go into the Cricut Joy app, you see many options. Go to Quick Labels. In Quick Labels, hit Start and you'll see the different labels available. Make sure you choose the one that is drawing or drawn in this project. I select my sample, type in the categories, and hit the plus button to add additional categories. Once I'm done, I'm going to hit the Done button. Next. After I hit Next, I will choose the proper material. If you forget, you can always go back and add another one. And then hit Next, select the proper material. Next, or make it, and follow the screen. And here you have it, we're done. Don't forget to use my affiliated link in the description below if you make a purchase. It doesn't cost you extra and it gives me a commission. Thank you.